All right, welcome, welcome, welcome. Today we're going to be going over how to set up your scanner. So this is a beautiful thing. This is our banking scanner and it does just that.
Do
Let
you
me
want us to get on
tell
gold or
you,
what screen you're on? It doesn't
yep,
matter.
I'm going to show you how to get on each screen. So let me tell you how to set everything up. The first thing you are going to have to do is in the top right-hand corner, there is a box next to the American flag with a squiggly line. Click that. And then you're going to press the C, and then you're going to click on XAU USD for gold. Please let me know once you've done that.
Okay,
Oh, she talking
I
about our
clicked on a
scanner
C.
And
on
then,
a wolf.
yes, and you probably have to scroll down. I star mine.
Okay, it's XAU USD. Okay, I got it.
That is gold, okay?
Uh-huh.
You should see it here now in the left corner. Please go ahead and go to the 1 minute chart.
Okay. Okay,
All right,
mine's
so
on a
now
minute.
we're on the 1 minute chart. At the top, it's going to say show wolf break. You might have to scroll a little bit, but go ahead and press show wolf break because I want you to be
Okay.
able to see the
Wait,
technology.
Okay,
yeah,
I got it.
first I have
Mm-hmm.
to get on the right pair. I'm not even on the right pair.
Okay, so again, you're going to press the box next to the American flag, and this will open for you. FX is for Forex. Okay.
I don't see an American flag.
At the very top, you should see the American flag, a phone, and the name of your account. In the
Okay, hold
top
on. Let me
right.
go over because I see C.
If you see the C, just go ahead and press the C. That means that it's already there. And when you press
No,
that,
Euro USD.
nope, not if
I'm on Euro.
okay, can you see
Let
my
me see.
screen?
No, because I got this screen. Let me see if I can go. I gotta split the screen, but
Yeah, or can you just look at my screen from your phone? And then you'll see FX, which is for your Forex pairs. You'll see C for commodities. You'll see B for digital currencies and I for indices. And we're going to click on the C.
okay. Go ahead. I'm gonna just find the pairs. I'll find the pairs. I can't see
Okay.
anything over
And
there.
then you're going to
After go ahead.
star XAU USD. Make sure you star it. And then please go to the 1 minute chart and please put your wolf break on. Okay. Once you
Okay.
do that, all of the technology is going to
Mm-hmm.
be set up for you. So let's talk about what we're looking at. The first thing you do have to do is if your candles are not on Hakanashi candles, please make sure it's on Hakanashi candles. And it should be. Okay. But make sure
Okay,
you have Hakanashi candles so that you're getting the momentum pattern. So down
okay.
here, you have your triangles, and these
Mm-hmm.
triangles are telling you what the banks are doing, okay, in the momentum in
Mm-hmm.
the market. We always want them to be dark colors when we get in a trade, okay? So that is the power of this technology. Dark blue means that the market is a strong buy. Dark red means that the market is a strong sale. And as you can see, it came down. When the market started to pull back, it gave you these light colors. When the bank comes in, there's going to be a square telling you, look, the bank is in for a buy or the bank is in for a sale. Okay, so I'll show you what that
Mm-hmm.
looks like in a moment. Okay, remember, we never, ever, ever trade on dojis. When you see dojis here, no. When you see these blue dots, the dots are telling you that it is a pull back in the market. So this is why we wouldn't do a doji. And even if this was a solid color, we're still not doing it. We only
Mm-hmm.
trade flat bottoms and flat tops. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
with the dark fractal. Now, these waves represent the EMAs, and we report
Mm-hmm.
the color of the waves. Red means
Mm-hmm.
sell, blue means buy. Is
Mm-hmm.
everybody clear on that? So the market
Yes.
right now is in what trend?
I don't even see the string. Y'all could just go ahead. I'll find y'all. Go
Go
ahead.
ahead and look on your phone though. Sharon, what the trend is the
My
market
phone
in?
only pop up. The video not popping up on the phone. I could just see you. It says done speaking,
Slide it,
and I
slide,
don't see
slide
yeah.
it.
Got it.
When you
Got it. Got
slide
it.
it,
Got it.
it
Got
should show you my screen. Okay. Again, Sharon, what
Yeah.
trend do you see right
Right,
now
right.
happening? Is it a buy or a sell trend?
It's going up. It's a
Oh,
buy,
don't
but
pay
it's
attention to
not
that.
strong
We
enough.
only pay the waves are your trend. So what are the
Oh,
waves telling you? What color are
oh, the
they?
wave is a downtrend.
Uh-huh. It's a sale trend. These waves
It's a
are
sell.
red. Exactly.
Mm-hmm.
And because of the way this technology is set up, we respect that. Okay. We're not trading against the trend. So right now,
Okay.
the market is selling. This is red and this is red. This is for sure
Mm-hmm.
a sale. Now, the boxes on your screen are going to represent the barriers where you have a lot of resistance. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And so
Mm-hmm.
that means that there's a resistance in this area. I typically will not trade in these boxes. I will wait for the market to create a candle underneath so that I know that it's broken out of this area and it can
Mm-hmm.
keep going. Okay. So right
Okay.
now, if we were waiting for a sale, right? And look how many times it keeps coming in here. God, you got to love this technology. Okay. Because this is going to keep
Mm-hmm.
you from losing money. You shouldn't be selling in here because the market has not broke past here, right?
Okay.
This will
Right.
keep you when you're newer from losing money because we're not trying to get in here. I would sell to the top of that box if I were in a trade. And then I would wait for the market to create a candle underneath, open and close to continue
Mm-hmm.
going for the sale. If the market says,
Mm-hmm.
like right now, it's starting to give us a little buy momentum that it's going to buy.
Can I go get a blue drink?
Mm-hmm.
No, that it's going to buy. I'm in my session. No, ma'am, give me a second. That it's going to buy, then the EMAs need to cross and the waves will turn blue. Okay. So again, we
Okay.
respect the technology. So that this is really, really powerful.
Yes.
And y'all on a 1 minute or a 5 minute chart?
1 minute.
Okay. Got it. Fine. Waiting for it to come up now. But I can see you on the phone. It's just circling. My pair is not up.
All right. Okay, so here we go again. There is an icon again at the very top. You might need to pull your screen down or slide it over. Sometimes if you're like on an iPad or something, you have to slide it over until you can see it is a square with a squiggly line next to the American flag, and it
Yeah, I
will
saw that.
yeah, it will open this box. And when it opens this box, then you click on commodities and you can click on gold. Now, do you see this square right here? It's black, it's a square. Everything else
Yes.
is to be a triangle. This is telling us that the banks are headed in sale momentum. So we should be getting a good push down for a sale momentarily. All right.
Mm-hmm.
When the banks come in, I like to see it going multiple ways before it goes the other way. Because sometimes you'll get one red and then out of nowhere you have 4 blue. So it's a fake out. So that's why we
Okay.
really, really pay attention to that. Okay. And it's at the
Okay.
bottom. So we really shouldn't be trying to sell at the bottom. We should really be waiting for the market to cross back up for the buy. Questions
Mm-hmm.
about that?
No questions.
Got it.
No.
Okay, so when I heard on that you said on the video, when you see a dot, don't trade. What that dot mean that's underneath that?
Yes, the blue and red dots. It's just telling you that it's a reversal in the market. It's still pullback going on, right? So the market was selling and then now it's kind of buying and selling. It's telling you it's not safe. It's not safe. Do not get in the trade in this area. So we do
Mm-hmm.
not, with the strategy that I teach you, we don't trade the blue dots. Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Do not trade the blue dots. So we want to wait, and we definitely don't trade dojis ever. Okay. We
Exactly.
want to wait for a flat top and a flat bottom. And like that person last night was like, but why do you use those candles? Again, these candles are the only ones that's going to give you a pattern that looks like this. And what I like
Mm-hmm.
about the pattern, especially for people who are newer, especially with futures, is that it's either going straight up or straight down, right? Like it's telling
Mm-hmm.
you the momentum is moving.
Yeah.
You don't want to get in these on a doji because then you'll get a weird pattern. But if you catch this when the EMA crosses at a flat bottom, you're going to be good because it's going to move up.
Mm-hmm.
Here your EMA is crossing again, and you got a flat top, and now you're going all the way down. And a lot of times you could trade Forex or futures, and you could trade to the bottom of this box or the top of this box. Okay.
Okay.
You see, it's going to be your TP, and I always pull it 1 point back, right? Because the market is so unpredictable. So now here we go again. We got strong momentum here. This is blue. It's outlined in red. That's not what we're looking for. We need a red candle with a flat top, no doji, and a dark red triangle. So that is what we're waiting to see. And it looks like we're getting ready to get it. Now, how did I know that this was getting ready to push down like this? Something happened a moment ago that told us this was going to happen before it even happened. Do you remember what it was?
That dark
you got
red
that
triangle.
the triangle.
Exactly. The banks are coming in for a buy, okay? And that yellow box is telling you where your extreme resistance is right in here. All right.
Let me stop you for 1 second. I don't have the yellow box on mine, on
You
my
have
screen.
to add the wolf break at the top.
And where is that?
At the very top.
Okay, I see
You
it.
might have to slide it.
I got it.
Exactly. So that's where I'm getting that technology from. And so this is very powerful because, again, it's going to keep you from getting in trade. You ain't got no business getting in. We got 12 seconds on this candle, 9 seconds. We want to see if that next one is going to be a flat top. All right. We want to see what momentum is going to be, and what that triangle is going to be on that candle. That candle did pull back. So we absolutely know better. We know better. I don't care if that bank is in for a sale or not. That might be the extent of the sale. We are going to wait for that candle to open and close under this resistance area because we don't want to be trapped. We don't want to be trapped. And this is typically the area where the market is going to do. Look at the pattern. What it does on the left, it's going to do on the right over and over again. The market came down here. It comes to the bottom of this box, and then it pushes up. Right? Came down, pushes up, came down again, pushes up again, came down again. So now it's like, are you going to break this area? Or are you going to push up again, which you have consistently done in this zone? Okay. So respect the technology because it's not lying, right? It's there to help us to be safe so that we're not getting in trades in the wrong place. And the only thing we want to see right now, okay, and if this market comes down, cool. It's got some room to come all the way down here. All right. But I promise you, it's not going to come down until it comes underneath this yellow box. Okay.
And we wanted to close under that yellow
It needs
box, right?
to open and close. Very good.
Okay.
Right. So what I like to do is I'm going to get a horizontal line, and I'm going to put my horizontal line right here. And I want to see what the momentum is. Typically, when we get about 4 candles, we expect a reverse. So we should be expecting a reverse to come momentarily and push back up. Does that make sense?
I do have a
question. It's wicking here. You see it's wicking here. That's a good one. So let's see if it's going to pull back and then push down, right? Because we want to see, is it going to break all the way out of this zone or, and look at it.
There you go. It jumped out of that zone.
Yeah, it didn't open and close though. So we wait. What
there
was
you go.
Question? That hasn't even closed yet. That candle got 48 seconds. So the open and close is going, and you really got to be able to understand open and close. The open and close has to happen underneath here, meaning that the new candle, it has to hold its momentum. A new candle has to form underneath that black line. Yeah, it's not down cool. And if I would have gotten a trade, I would have cleared, no problem. But I don't want to take that risk. I want to see that candle open and close. I want to see it open and close to limit my risk. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
All right.
All the components are there, but it just didn't close under that yellow
resistance. Do you have your EMA on this chart?
It's already set. You don't have to do anything to the chart. Everything is set.
Okay.
Everything on this chart is set.
So the EMA is that red line, and what's the other line? That blue line?
All right.
Okay,
so now it has
there we go. That's it.
All right. And that's a beautiful thing, isn't it? That's nice. I just want to see it pull back and then reset to come on down.
Beautiful.
So you want to make sure there's
lining up.
Mhm.
Oh,
I'm
it
waiting,
gotta
so
wait
I
though.
wanted to reset. I'm waiting for the reset. What was the next question?
No, that was it. I just wanted to make sure I see that M and A, so at EMA, so I can know when it's crossing. I had to identify the colors.